Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to order a service on the Fiverr application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the either your home page or the search section to select a service that you would like to purchase. Tap on it, scroll down and click on the continue button. Then select the one of these options, tap on the continue button down below. Here you should select your payment method. Your order details are here and tap on the add payment method down below. Add your card number, first and last name, then your CV number and the expiry date, and then pay for the product by tapping on the pay now button, and then you will be able to continue the process of ordering your service. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.